sunset, bills on my mindset, I can't deny it. Getting higher, higher than my income, income's breadcrumbs. I've been trying to survive. The glow that the sun gets right around sunset helps me realize that this is just a journey. Drop your worries, you are gonna turn out fine. Oh, you turn out fine.
Youtoria is an interactive learning experience for 13 to 19-year-olds, but not only do we give them a learning experience, we also give them a financial opportunity.
I'm a Youtoria girl because it teaches you a lot about, like being your own boss. So you're basically your own manager, and you depend, or how much you sell depends how much you make. So, you can make like $10 a week or $100 a week depending on how much you sell. When you have a bad day at school, like today, and when you get to come and you get to hang out with the girls that you really get along with, that truly are friends, and Youtoria is a great place to do that because not only are you making money doing the things that you're doing, but you're making money around the people that you love being around.
Oh, you turn out fine, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, I know it's hard, no it's hard to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey.
To me, Youtoria is a way for me to introduce my friends into my lifestyle. That's really why I started it to begin with. And I think it gives girls a more constructive way to be together. Instead of sitting around gossiping and causing problems, you're leaning on each other for your success.
I think it's a job, it's strictly fit for teenage girls, so it corresponds perfectly with their lives.
You turn out fine, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, I know it's hard, no it's hard.
I think each and every one of us, even though being young and like still in high school, or if some of us are older and not being in high school, but still having that school environment any way that we have it, I think that we're learning in school and in a business way. Like you can take business classes in school any day, but like this is a different way to look at a business opportunity, I think.
Yeah, the girls come to my house and we keep all the products in huge bins right now on this big shelf.
I could take one of
And the first thing they do is they come into my office and grab the bins and go through everything. Girls hear that you're going on CNN, you're going on TV, and you're doing magazine editorials. They think of you differently, but at the same time it gives you different experiences. And it is the experiences and the memories that you get more than anything. Youtoria is all what you want it to be, and it's what you make it to be.
You can let your head down.